I think it felt better.
Got to the top of the hill and I was in third, and I just wanted to see how it was doing, and I just poured it on and it pulled like it was in second.
I think it feels better than before.
Yeah, it's got good power. Gotten the kinks out of it. We'll ride it again.
You wanna go ahead? Go ahead. It's our sales video here. A few little cobwebs we had to work out, but it's worked out. "40 years old, what do you expect? Things happen.
I'm not sure I rode this thing when I was 40.
I think it felt better than before, honestly. I think it felt better.
It is really
It just feels just slightly better, you know, like everything is doing is a little better. Yeah. You know what I mean? Like going back down to idle, a little better, or acceleration a little bit better. I mean, it's just a little better. Everything is a little better.
Yeah, going through the gears.
It'll go. It'll go, yeah. When you want it to go, it goes. 81 CB650, back from a long nap, is running great now. We had to do a few things to it. We had an issue with the carburetor flooding, so we think there was some trash in one of the float mechanisms. We spent all day today and solved it. Sounds really good.